Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how you can automate your emails and effectively manage your email marketing campaigns using DirectIQ. This powerful tool can help you streamline your email marketing efforts and ultimately increase your revenue. Today, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started with DirectIQ, from setting up your account to creating automated email campaigns that can help you print money in 2024. First, let's get started by signing up for a DirectIQ account. You can sign up for a free account using the link in the description. Once you've completed the sign-up process, you'll be taken to your dashboard. The dashboard is the central hub of DirectIQ, where you can manage your email campaigns, contacts, and analytics. Let's take a quick tour of the dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see the main navigation menu with options like Home, Contacts, Templates, and Campaigns. We'll go through each of these sections in detail, but first, let's start by setting up your contacts. To manage your contacts, click on the Contacts tab in the main navigation menu. Here, you can add new contacts, import existing contacts, and create contact lists. Let's start by adding a new contact. Click the Add Contact button and you'll be prompted to enter the contact's details such as name, email address, and any other relevant information. Once you've entered the details, click Save to add the contact to your list. If you have an existing list of contacts, you can import them into DirectIQ easily. Click on the Import Contacts button and you'll have the option to upload a CSV or Excel file or import contacts from other services like Google Contacts or Outlook. Follow the prompts to complete the import process. Creating contact lists is an essential part of managing your email marketing campaigns. You can segment your contacts into different lists based on various criteria such as demographics, behavior, or purchase history. This allows you to send targeted emails to specific groups, improving the effectiveness of your campaigns. To create a new contact list, click on the Create List button, enter a name for your list, and select the contacts you want to include. Now that we have our contacts set up, let's move on to creating an email campaign. Click on the Campaigns tab in the main navigation menu. Here, you can create, manage, and track your email campaigns. To create a new campaign, click the New button. You'll be prompted to choose the type of campaign you want to create, such as a regular email, an A/B split test, or an RSS-driven campaign. For this tutorial, we'll start with a regular email campaign. First, give your campaign a name and select the contact list you want to send it to. Click Next to proceed to the email editor. DirectIQ offers a user-friendly drag-and-drop editor that makes it easy to design your emails. You can choose from a variety of pre-designed templates or create your own from scratch. For this tutorial, we'll use a pre-designed template. Browse through the available templates and select one that suits your needs. Once you've chosen a template, you'll be taken to the email editor where you can customize the content and design of your email. You can add text, images, buttons, and other elements by simply dragging and dropping them onto the email canvas. Click on any element to edit its properties, such as font size, color, or alignment. When you're happy with the design of your email, click Next to proceed to the campaign settings. DirectIQ will handle the rest, ensuring that your email is delivered to your contacts. Now that we've covered the basics of creating an email campaign, let's talk about DirectIQ landing pages. Landing pages are crucial for capturing leads, driving traffic, and converting visitors into customers. DirectIQ offers a user-friendly landing page builder that allows you to create stunning and high-converting landing pages without any coding skills. You'll find the Landing Pages option in the main navigation menu. Click on it to get started. Now click on Add New Landing Page. You'll be presented to add landing page design. Here, you will be presented with a variety of customizable templates designed for different purposes. Choose a template that suits your needs and start customizing it. The drag and drop editor makes it easy to add, remove, and rearrange elements on your page. You can include text, images, videos, forms, and buttons. Customizing the design is straightforward, with options to change colors, fonts, and backgrounds to match your brand identity. Forms are a critical component of your landing page. DirectIQ allows you to create forms that capture essential information from your visitors. You can customize the form fields to gather specific data such as name, email address, phone number, and more. Once a visitor submits the form, their information is automatically added to your DirectIQ contact list, making it easy to follow up with email campaigns. Now, let's move on to integrations. DirectIQ offers seamless integration with a wide range of tools and platforms, allowing you to streamline your email marketing efforts and enhance your overall marketing strategy. Integrations help you automate workflows, synchronize data, and leverage additional functionalities from other software solutions. These integrations enable you to sync your contact data between DirectIQ and your CRM, ensuring that your email lists are always up to date. You can also track email engagement metrics directly within your CRM, giving you a comprehensive view of your customer interactions. In addition to CRM integrations, DirectIQ supports e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Magento. By connecting your online store with DirectIQ, you can automate email campaigns based on customer behavior, such as abandoned cart reminders, product recommendations, and order confirmations. This integration helps you drive more sales and improve customer retention. DirectIQ also integrates with social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. These integrations allow you to sync your social media contacts with DirectIQ and create targeted email campaigns based on your social media audience. You can also use DirectIQ to schedule and publish social media posts, making it easier to manage your marketing efforts from a single platform. These integrations expand the capabilities of DirectIQ, enabling you to create a more cohesive and efficient marketing ecosystem. Lastly, let's discuss DirectIQ's pricing plans. DirectIQ offers flexible pricing options to suit businesses of all sizes, from startups to large enterprises. They have a tiered pricing structure based on the number of contacts in your email list, ensuring that you only pay for what you need. DirectIQ offers a free plan that's perfect for individuals looking to explore email marketing without any upfront costs. The free plan includes a variety of essential features, allowing you to experience the power of DirectIQ without any financial commitment. You can sign up for the free plan using the link in the description. Next, the Essential Plan. Starting at $15 per month is ideal for small businesses and startups with a limited number of contacts. It includes essential features like email campaigns, landing pages, and basic reporting. As your contact list grows, you can upgrade to higher tier plans that offer more advanced features and higher email sending limits. For large enterprises and businesses with extensive marketing needs, DirectIQ offers an unlimited plan starting at $25 per month. This plan includes all the features of the Essential Plan, along with dedicated account management, priority support, and custom integrations. An unlimited plan is tailored to meet the specific needs of large organizations, providing the tools and support necessary to execute complex marketing strategies. DirectIQ also offers add-ons and pay-as-you-go options for businesses with unique requirements. You can purchase additional email credits, access premium templates, and unlock advanced features as needed. This flexibility ensures that you can customize your DirectIQ experience to align with your business goals and budget. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this information helpful and that it gives you a clear understanding of how DirectIQ can benefit your business. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to reach out.